So that's what it looks like after we packed for delivery. And now we need to clean up everything and do the inventory. So we are done with our inventory, and I just wanted to show you around and show you what it looks like when we have everything sorted in our shelves. This is all the thermals together with this shelf, so they're all sorted by size. Then we have hand warmers, feet warmers, all the glasses from Swiss Eye. Thank you so much, Swiss Eye, for your monthly donations. Then we have rain ponchos, rain jackets, all the ghillie suits. So we have different ghillie suits, some that are white, some are white camouflage. We also have camouflage nets. So this is everything, like when we have snow, like right now, this is really good for them to cover up either themselves or their vehicles or their tents or their trenches. Then we have brown ghillies and brown camouflage nets. We have a lot of warm hats, guys. Thank you so much. This is like a full box of hats. This is all balaclavas, and there are some awesome winter sets that you guys send us. So this is like dark green, and it's a mix of like a hat and a scarf. So thank you so much for that. These are actually my favorite ones to give out. These are the tons of chesties that you sent us. So I'm so thankful for them. We were always really restrictive in giving them out, but now we can really give them as many as they need. So these are all the warm jackets that you guys sent us. And below is the first batch of the sweaters, of the warm sweaters. They are awesome. They have like on the side something where you can put a patch on. And there above we have boots. These are the stretchers. Thank you so much, guys. These are all the blood stopping things. So a part of them we have quick cloth and we have sea-locks. So here, this is also something that I asked for, and you guys sent us also a bunch of that. Thank you so much. And here in the back you see the IFACs. We received so many IFACs from you guys. Thank you so much. I think it was over 360 in total, and 145 actually went out with the last delivery. So we could still not give all the units all the IFACs that they requested, because they are requesting amounts like 80 or 100 IFACs for one unit. But we still could give them a lot more than we usually could. So we have like 200 something left, and this will be, I think, gone within the next, I think, 2 deliveries. And now let's go to the winter uniforms. So these are layered uniforms. So we have pants, we have jackets, and we have sweaters. And this is what came in, like all your stuffs. Thank you so much, guys. And one thing I wanted to say is thank you to all our helpers that have been helping me here for a week to unpack all the boxes from the truck, to sort things into the shelves, to count everything, which is like the worst job here in the warehouse. So thank you guys so much for all your help, for all the time that you spent here with me. I'm really grateful for all your help. Thank you so much. And this is our corner with the mats and the sleeping bags. So there are sleeping bags here. Then there are warmer ones in the back. So these are like for special units that we know that are like all the time sleeping in trenches. So this is what we give them. And then we have our boxes, which we use to pack for deliveries. Here are more sleeping bags, and then there are some more warm sleeping bags in the back. So these are awesome Savota mats, and when we are out of them, we give out the foldable mats. And this is the place for the plate carriers. So we are expecting a delivery of plate carriers soon. So I left some space here. And yeah, that's our warehouse. That's our office space, and this is like, yeah, the most important place in the whole warehouse. So you need to warm up here on a regular basis. Right now we have like -10 degrees outside and inside too. So yeah, I'm really grateful for our heaters here. One for the hands and one for the feet. Now that it started to snow, my feet got really cold outside, and I mean, I cannot sit all the time here warming up. So I decided to test our feet warmers that you guys are sending us for the soldiers. Just want to see how they work. It's like a powder of iron, salt, active carbon, water, and something else. So first you need to give it time to react with oxygen, with air. and it takes really a long time. Like I thought it would be like, I don't know, within a minute, but you really need a lot of minutes and you need to kind of squeeze it a little bit. You put them into the shoe and then you take off all the other socks that you have. So I just left like 2 thin pair of socks. These are our nice merino wool socks. And then you put them in. I can feel that it's getting warm here. And with this one, it kind of doesn't heat up as quickly as the other one. Maybe I was squeezing that a lot. So maybe you don't need to squeeze it and just like let it sit there. And then you put them in. So this shoe is already pretty warm inside. And this one, I don't know. So the one that doesn't seem to work that good, I'm trying to preheat it a little bit. Maybe that will start a reaction or so. They are actually meant to hold for hours. For 10 hours or so. So we are going to the shooting range today. That would be really nice if I could just walk around all day long in the snow and not have cold feet. We will see. So guys, again, thank you so much for all the Christmas gifts and for being so generous and for constantly supporting us, either with money, with items, or with messages. Let's fight together for Ukrainian victory and support Ukrainian defenders as much as we can for victory and peace. Slava Ukraini!